Alright, so this is how you put together a Kuiu pack. And like last time, this guy, he was hella dissing me because my phone died on accident, and I made sure my phone's on low percent again. So basically what you want to do is unclip these over here, unclip these, and unroll everything you already know. And then get your bag right here, and stick it in like this. Stick it into the holes like that. And once you got it, clip these together right here. Alright, so if you get these clipped, make sure the Velcro is facing this way or else it won't work. Then clip on the sides just like that, and do it for this side or the bottom. You can tighten all this stuff later. You can do it for the other side too. So then now it's like this. Get everything clipped together. And then you got this part, the lumbar pad, and you want to place it. Hold up. So you got the bag right here. You're gonna place it on top of here. Open it up like that. Quit playing. There's two buckles right here. So what you want to do is get this, and clip it to the bottom. There's on two sides. Then so once you got this inside this compartment right here, you could flip the Velcro and then undo these and then flip it over and then Velcro under here. So let me do it real quick. Also, there's these bottom straps right here. So what you want to do is just put this through the loop real quick. Do it like that. And then this one right here. Like that. And then this one goes over here. Like this. Like that. Once you got that done, you get these straps. It goes like this. So the bag looks like this. And then you gotta put the strap like this. Over it. Onto it like this. And you have to put this inside here. You just gotta slip it in like this. And then turn it real quick. And then do that. Oh wait. This actually goes right here. Bruh. I just messed up the whole thing, but you could just do that real quick. And this side, I'll fix it in a bit. Connect these two right here. And you can adjust the height according to you. Boom! Strap. Oh, here it is. This is what it looks like. A strap coming out from the bottom. I'm gonna put it in on the top side and then bring it down on the bottom side right here. I was struggling checking this out earlier. Okay, and then you just want to pull it through. Easy, adjust it. Alright, now it's assembled, and stop dissing me in the comments because that was on accident. Like, that wasn't even a how-to video for real. Like, that's it.